Sanibona bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale game between iPirates neSikhukhune. Starting from your approach, your coach, I was very shaken in line up because now, mfethu, we win this game, we are ahead of the Sundowns. Ngibona line up, I'm like, okay, back for it to inondaba, all right. Okay, Van on the right, and then essentially to Yafana, Omakawula, Umbata, with Tito, Moremi, Spelebele, and now already Kumina that is giving me a fear because now once we have Spelebele on the front, Kushuguti Pirates in the system you see one winger must invert Uzoba a double 10 on the right, and then on the left we must open the field wide. Now into it, if ufaka uSibelebele ku traffic, uSibelebele akwazi ukwenza ama combination. Sibelebele is good ukwenza ama late run boxing, of which umbonile second half eseqhamuweze right back, because now if umenza on the front umenza ukuthi amayeka lula, because it's not good kuma 1-2 uyafana noSalenga. So now okay, ngiyahlaba like okay, you see we're looking at defender on the right but siyaphuma on the left. Okay, now fine, I'm not going to speak ill about umdlalo wePirates, but ngifuna ukukhuluma ngondaba. I was very impressed ukumbona ukuthi akafuna ukudlala njengana Hotto. He's being himself. Uya understand the position ye left back, big up boy. Uyakwazi ucalculate ibhola mangabe ezolwina, a progress nalo. He doesn't just move forward or move if ifanele, but now into ishayile ukudlala kwakhe. Ngithi kusishayile ukuthi simdlale. Why? We rely on ukuthi uMoremi ubedlala kude kakhulu kunepala wide. That means ukuthi uMoremi azange abe ne clear chance okora because udlala kude kunepala. Normally siba no Hotto who will come in a runner wide, so that uMoremi ezokwazi ukuthi adlale kuma channel abheke ngase boxing. Now if ihlala undaba benoMoremi, undaba angithi aka overlap. Now this means ukuthi uMoremi must always be wide, because now remember ukuthi uzomangwa wing back noma makwe number 2 whatever. Whereas if ukhona Hotto uzokhatha in yena aberana the side. Ebholeni is all about create ama numbers amaningi kune opponent, so silimele on the side. On the right futhi besinga function because uSibelebele cannot play kuma pockets and ubengagijimi ngale. And for me mentally I think he wasn't ready. Siyobona mhlawumbe uma sebenza idocumentary esho ukuthi ubesaba ukufaka unyawo, ubesaba ukuzicommita. And another thing I was not happy ngosiyama indlela icommitment yakhe abengenayo izolo. What happened? Ubenga compete ibhola emoyeni and usibisuke wamthethisa. So I think le option bemele silungisa. Coming in from mid siya phambili, I think Umbata is a kind of midfielder kwiPirates esimdinga all the time. He's something such a gem. Umbata where like usiniya le option, like izolo ubedlala as a number 8. Izolo best number so a proper like uMakawula doing things for us, of which I was very happy when uMakawula edlala as a number 6. But now islimazile if edlala as a 6, whereas mhlawumbe I would say if undaba edlala kule position he must invest ngaphakathi and then see progressing ngama midfield. Now going forward bese now energy one uTito, I know ukuthi number 10 ohlukile, but now izinto uyazicomplicate njengamanje. Mfethu as a number 10 you must make sure ukuthi awuphumi egame noma first half ungazange uphase a clear pass to striker kuma channel mfethu. Like iPirates vele idominate ngebhola. Why are you running? I know it's khona ama stats amele afuna ngale, but you are a number 10 bro. Stay there kuma channels. Njengoba uMoremi ubevula ground wide, ngiexpect ukuthi mina uTito angeni kuma channel erana behind the ball. How many times you saw him gijima behind the ball? Uyaqhamuka deep ezokhuleta ibhola adlale uFan Drain, and then agijima, and then like we are too principled. Ungena kamfukeng kwenze lento sifunayo ukuthi sometimes if ibhola ulanda swing as a number 10 ulipasa kuma forward ku strike ubulandela to create ama 1-2 ukuzwazi uku eliminator. Now coach, we don't have to experiment ngoMoriko. We know him. He's not ready. We know. Put Mbule. Amagame umbule uzosinisa amagame because amagame amaningi esiwadlalayo. We need him to open up ama opponents. Mfethu stop experimenting ngePirates. Please man. Illeague lesifuna you cannot do ama experiment. Siyafana neArsenal. Whenever we must take control of a game, we lose things, we experiment and stuff. So I believe if we had right players, Abo Dlamini, ama set piece, guys, coach, come on, man. I wanna see us on Monday. Sidlala ngomgqibelo sidlala neMakesi. Having 1 number 6 and 2 number 10s. We need to win the league early. Our opponents azosivala. And you cannot put Mfukeng Beno Apolis Bo 2 ngaphandle and make them impact players. No, wait, we cannot do that. So I really hope we go to coach them. I know ukuthi bebefuna ukuwina. I think ne-rate idlalile iphathi yayo is too hot. Ama players fitness azange ngiyibone kahle, but me as a fan kumele ngithethe izinto mangabe zingahambi my way. So I really hope ukuthi next time gents will make us proud, man. Thank you.